For today's video, we will go over how to share Google Files with other people. So first things is you want to go into your Google Drive account. You then go to New, and here you'll see your Google Docs and such, and here you have your file upload, which is what we'll use for today. And for an example, I'll just use my accounting ethics case. Go ahead and upload that file into your drive, and once the file is uploaded, you can then click on it, and here you can see share. If you want to share a link, show the file location, multiple things you could do here, but we'll go to share. It is here that you can then add people, use my other email for example. And then you could send a message along with the file. You can also copy a link, which will send people. You can send people the link, and they'll be able to click on it, and then open up the file. And here you can edit your settings. And that's pretty much it on how you share a file through your Google Drive.